Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we'll be discussing about PIP and you can see how to use it to manage packages and modules. So without much ado, let's dive right in. What in the world is PIP? So PIP is just a package manager for managing packages and modules from the Python package index. If you are using Python version 3.4 and above, PIP should already be installed. And if you're using a version below 3.4, it's time to upgrade, buddy. You can just follow the Python installation video and see how we install pip while installing Python. So if you all have Python pip installed, let's dive into this session. To check your pip version or just to confirm if you have pip, you can just open the terminal. I'll just click Control backtick to open it on VS Code. Then here I can just write pip, then dash dash version, like that. Then if I press enter, it will tell me that the pip version is 24.1. So depending on the pip version that you have, it's just fine as long as you have pip. So this is how you check for the version. And if you want to install it, if you want to install pip using the terminal, you can just use this command. Okay, so let us learn on how to use pip. First, we learn to use pip to check for installed packages. So I'll just open the terminal. Let me just expand this a little bit so that you can see. So to check for installed packages, just use this command called pip list. So if I press enter, you'll see there'll be a list of all the packages that I installed. Like you can see I have Django, NumPy and the rest. Also pip is one of the installed packages here. So to see a list of packages that are outdated, you can just write the same command pip list, then you add this outdated up here. Just add outdated. So this command is used to check if any of the packages is outdated. So if I run this command, if I have some outdated packages, they'll be listed there. Let's just wait for it to check. And you can see I have these packages which are outdated, and one of the outdated packages is this one called pip. There's a new version, pip 24.1.1. So if I want to upgrade any of those packages, let me just upgrade this pip version of mine. I'll just use this command. I'll just say pip install, then dash dash upgrade, then the name of that package which I want to upgrade. In this case I want to upgrade pip. So I'll write pip install dash dash upgrade, then the package name is pip. Then if I hit enter, it will uninstall the older version of pip and install this new version of pip. You can see now it's installing the new version of pip, and now pip is now up to date. And that is how you update any package. Just write pip install, then dash dash upgrade, then the package name. The other thing is that if you want to install a new package, let's say I want to install a package, just write pip install, then the name of the package. Let's say I want to install the package called, I don't think if I have pandas. There's a package called pandas. Let me check if I have it. Do I have pandas? I think I have pandas. So if you want to install any package, just write pip install, then the name of that package. So if I pip install that package name, it will check if it's there. If it's there, it will tell you that it's already requirement that is satisfied. And if it's not there, it will start installing that package. And this is how you install packages in Python using the pip. So you can go back to the notes and check more commands. Those are the basic commands that you can use, but obviously there's also other commands that you can use. Let me just check for those who have not learned. You already learned about the pip version. You know about the pip install package name. Like in this example, you are installing this package called requests. So if you pip install requests, you'll get the requests. You know how to upgrade packages, like if you pip install dash dash upgrade, this I've already learned. The other thing is to uninstall a package. So if you want to uninstall a package, you can use this pip uninstall command. So if I wanted to install pandas, if I wanted to uninstall it, I'll just say pip uninstall, then I'll just set the package name, in this case pandas. So I'll just uninstall pandas from my list of installed applications. Then it will ask me if I want to proceed. I'll just say yes. Then if I hit on enter, it will tell me pandas uninstalled successfully. Now if I just list my list of, if I just pip list, I'll not see pandas in my list of installed applications. You can see pandas it's supposed to be here, but it's not there because I've uninstalled pandas. And that is how you use this pip uninstall. I think that's just simple. this pip list, I've already looked at it. And to show package information, if you want to get a detailed information about a specific package, you can use this pip show command. So let's say I want to get a detailed request about, let's say, let me check my packages first. I'll use the pip list command to check my list of packages. Then I have this package called pillow. So if I want to check more details about that pip, I'll just say pip show, then I'll say pillow, like that. Then here I'll get the name, the version, the summary, and everything about that pillow. So pillow is just used for, it's a Python imaging library. We'll learn about it once we learn about the Django. So that is how you use this pip show command. It's just used to get a detailed information about a specific package. The other thing is this one called the pip freeze. So pip freeze is used to generate a list of installed packages and their version. With that, you can store those packages in a special file, in a specific file. Instead of listing them, I can store them in a file. So if I want to do that, I'll use this pip freeze command. If I just cite pip freeze, if I just say pip then freeze, it will just give me a list of the packages and their versions. But if I wanted to store this in a file, I can just write pip freeze, then I put this greater sign symbol, then I put the name of the file. Mostly it's called requirements.txt. It's a text file called the requirements.txt. So if I just write here requirements.txt, then if I press enter, you can see currently in my file I don't have a file called requirements.txt. But if I write pip freeze greater than requirements.txt, then I press enter, you can see a new file here will be created called requirements.txt. And if I open this file, you can see it will contain all the packages that I have and their versions. And that is how you use this pip freeze to create a file which contains all the packages that you have and your version. And you can ask, why should you do this? You should do this because if you have created a program which uses a specific requirements, and maybe someone uses that program and they don't have that package, that program will not work. That is why you should add a requirements.txt in your program, so that if someone tries to use that program, they can see I need to have these requirements for me to use this file. And if you want to install the requirements that are present in the requirements.txt, you can just use this command pip install -r requirements.txt. So if I just open my terminal, then I say pip install -r requirements.txt. I'll install all the packages in this file called the requirements. So if you get someone's program and they have this requirements.txt, maybe you can run that program and it may refuse to run because you don't have the required requirements. So to install them, you just type pip install -r requirements.txt. Then if you press enter, all the packages that are in that requirements will be installed. But now since I have all those requirements, it will just tell me that requirements already satisfied. But if I didn't have any of them, it will install that requirements. So basically that is how you use pip, and I believe I went into more. So you learn about virtual environments and this other as we progress. So that is what I prepared for this video. See you in the next video. Peace out.